Okay, I want to show you how a quick, simple, easy way to scrape some leads from various search engines when you're dealing with B2B. Now, if you're looking for customer leads, this isn't the resource for you. However, if you were looking to get business leads, like you've got a solution for restaurant owners or hairstylists and salon owners, or people in the trades or contracting, or people that are in insurance or churches, anything. If you've got a lead generation marketing tool like we have at TW3, this is the perfect source. One of the resources we give our members. And by the way, you can get a discount and this over here, a free trial, as a matter of fact, by going to terrywilson3.com/leadscraper. That's terrywilson3.com/leadscraper if you'd like to try this out. But it's so cool to check out. So for instance, let's say I wanted to pull restaurants, and let's say I wanted it in Spartanburg, South Carolina, which is where I'm from. We'll just use that one, Spartanburg, South Carolina. And let's say here I wanted to select a file. I'm just going to put this on my desktop. So I'm just going to call this Spartanburg Spart Rest. That's what I'll do. It's going to be a CSV file. Of course, I can put it in, CSV is, I think, the only option on this. And so it's going to put it on the desktop. So I'm just going to save there. So that's where it's going to send it. Do I want email? Sure, because I could do some email marketing. Do I want social media? Absolutely. Do I need to contact if they've got it? Would be great. And that's about it. So I'm going to just click on search for business leads, and it's going to go through the process. And so the filters I set up is I want to see their social media account, so I can pull their numbers, email addresses, all of that, contact names if they've got it. But it's going to go through and it's checking all of the various online data banks from social media like Facebook, LinkedIn. It's going through Google, Yahoo, Bing, Yellow Pages, all of that. And it's sort of quantifying all of those business leads that are out there that's already on the internet. And I can go one by one if I wanted to and find them. But this is going to quantify them all and put it in a spreadsheet form for me, so that then I can go over to some of my resources at TW3 and I can do a bulk text, bulk email, do a voicemail drop, do all different kinds of things. So this is going to take probably about 5 minutes max to pull this list. And so let's let it pull the list and get right back, and I'll show you what it pulls out. Okay, as you can see, it's finally finished. And so it put it right here on my desktop, as you can see right up here. So if I want to see this CSV file of this lead list, I just double click on it. Of course, I'm on a Mac, so it's going to pull it up in numbers. But you can see I have the name, the address, telephone number, contact if there is any contact, email, and even their website. So this data right here, and I've got, good Lord, about 2,000 probably on here. Of course, some of them are McDonald's and different things. Well, it's about 950. So some of them are going to be fast food and stuff like that. Some are going to be mom and pop. But, what I can do here is then market to these folks and say, hey, I'd like to do it. Would it be worth, $500 to send in, let's say, 100 people to your restaurant in the next 2 days? I'll do a text campaign, or $250 or whatever. I can send them a voicemail drop. It shows right up on their voicemail. I could email them right here. Of course, I could hit them up on social media and all of that. But all of that is right in this list right here. And this little piece of software right here doesn't cost, but about what, 50, 60, 80 bucks, whatever it runs now. And here's the other thing. I can turn around and sell this lead list to people that are in the space that call on restaurants and say, hey, here's a lead list for 50 bucks. And so you sell a couple of those, you've already got your price out of the software, and then you're just up selling leads all day long right here. That quick, right at a button push. That's the power of this particular software that we sell inside and outside of TW3. So check it out, terrywilson3.com/leadscraper, terrywilson3.com/leadscraper.